Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on 2016 Volkswagen GTI, updated. Start with the key and accessory, then press the trip button until you see the service menu. Use the left and right arrows to find oil life, press and hold the OK button to confirm reset, and ensure the display reads 100% before turning off the ignition. Prepare the steering wheel controls and the ignition in accessory mode before you start. Navigate to the driver display service menu using the left and right arrows and find oil life in the list. When oil life is highlighted, press and hold the OK button until the display confirms 100%. Release the button, cycle the ignition once to make sure the change saved, and you are finished. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It is lightweight, waterproof, and perfect for long waits during service appointments. I find it great for manuals and repair notes on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If you run into trouble, stay calm and try simple fixes first. Cycle the ignition to accessory and repeat the button sequence, holding each press firmly. Check slightly different menu names like Service or Inspection if oil life is not visible. For persistent issues, a dealer or an OBD2 diagnostic tool that supports Volkswagen service functions can complete the reset reliably, and they can verify there are no underlying faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.